Hello everyone and welcome to All 3D Designs. My main focus from this channel is to find the best use of 3D printers at home to make or create things customized to our specific needs that might not be readily available anywhere for purchase. Today is the day I finally decided on upgrading my USB hub. The old one, as you see, were only capable of connecting up to 4 devices to my computer. After a little research online, I have found a model that fits better to my needs. This one has 10 ports, which 3 of them are capable of charging battery-operated devices with a higher rate of power delivery. This time I'm planning on design and print some kind of bracket to hold a new USB hub in its place. In other words, getting it all screwed to the table. Hope I'll be able to do a better job on keeping things squared away. Without any further ado, let's get started. First step for beginning a design process is the accurate measurement. To measure length in a straight line, I will be using digital caliper. And to measure radius of curved corners, I am using printed tool called fillet and radius gauge. Before we go any further, let's say thank you to the person who came up with this brilliant idea. I will be providing a link for a download STL file for these tools in the case you are interested in download and printing one for yourself. There is a point I want to add, and that is about the tolerance or air gap between the two components on this design, which this amount is slightly different on each make and model of the printers. On my case, 0.2 millimeter is sufficient. And now is the time for printing. Setting I use to get the best print quality is I use the nozzle with a 0.6 millimeter of diameter. Material I used is PLA. The default temperature setting is 210 degree for a hot end extruder and 60 degree on a build plate.